All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Right? My first question is, how often do you listen to music?
I'm not regular listener of music. I listen music seldomly because I'm a current student and right now I'm working on my thesis and I've found very less time to
Okay, the
spend on it.
first thing is you need to show interest in the question. The second thing is, even if your answer is negative, you have to give proper reasons. The question is, how often do you listen to music? And you say, I don't listen to music at all. But you need to elaborate, why don't you listen to music? So you need to give reasons for your answer, and all these things should be done in 4 5 sentences in one go, without any pause or without any break. Now let's go on. What type of music do people listen to in your country?
In my in my country, people mostly interested because our culture is majorly influenced by India because we have long history, we have centuries of history together, centuries of culture together. In my country, people mostly like to listen Bollywood music, and our own music industry is also well developed. People also like to listen Pakistani music as well.
Okay, do people listen to western music like English songs?
A very less percentage of Pakistani people like to listen English music.
Why?
There can be multiple reasons. Uh, in my opinion, the major reason is low literacy rate, uh, and it also depends upon the taste of listener.
Okay, who is the famous singer in your country?
Uh, I, I think it depends on the choice of the listener, and in my opinion, currently the person who is getting viral is Ali Shetty.
Okay, so at the moment your answers are short because you are less familiar with these questions, right? And your answer is in bits and pieces. I mean, there is not organized answer. So try to organize your answer, practice all these topics, and you'll be okay,
Okay.
right? Thank you so much. Next one, please. Okay, do you wear jewelry?
Yes, I wear sometime jewelry um, on occasions such as Eid day or marriage functions. In these days, I wear jewelry.
Okay, how often do you buy new jewelry?
I often buy such as on Eid days, and when I go to other cities
Hmm.
or relatives, I buy jewelry.
Okay, have you ever received jewelry as a gift?
Yes, I received jewelry when my younger sister came abroad. She bought me some jewelry and take me as a gift.
Okay. All right. Do you prefer to wear artificial jewelry or expensive jewelry?
I prefer artificial jewelry because if it lost, I think I do not. Uh,
Okay, no problem. Try to practice all these questions, and your answer should contain 5 to 6 sentences. Okay, and try to brush up your basic English grammar, like tenses and all that. Right? Okay,
okay,
thank you.
thank you.
Okay, let's go on. What type of weather do you like?
Mostly, I like cold weather because uh, because
Come on, because
uh,
mango is the fruit that we get in summer season. No, you
cold,
like cold weather.
cold
Oranges. Talk about oranges.
because I like oranges. Oranges are in winter weather, yeah, I like winter weather.
Okay. What do you usually do when it is cold?
I usually do a lot of things. First of all, I sit inside the sun. Say,
Yeah, but it's incomplete answer. You need to speak more.
inside the sun, and I use mostly I used to go in the park uh, uh, to.
Okay. Do you prefer dry or wet weather?
I prefer weather because I love raining. When it is raining, I pref I mostly cook interest in cooking. Uh, s-
Okay, I cook interesting cooking. You're using inappropriate words, right? And you need to focus tenses, and your answer is not organized. It's just like you are trying to say all these things. And one more thing, try to make yourself familiar with these questions. Answers should be readily available, okay?
okay.
All right, thank you. Let's go on. All right, let's make us start. Do you use cell phone?
Yeah, I mostly use cell phone because
Okay.
it's my uh, uh, uh,
Yes, yes, come on.
yes, I mostly use cell phone because it's a entertainment device. I watch different types of uh, apps and listening music,
Okay.
and
What do you mostly do on your mobile phone?
I am mostly use Instagram app and see different news, entertainment
News.
news, and it's related to entertainment and politics and different types of topics.
Okay. Would you like to change your mobile device?
Um, I am change.
Would you like to change your mobile device, your mobile phone?
Yes, I am mostly change my AirPods, change my device,
Mm-hmm.
and because I am using iPods most of time listening music, and
Okay. All right. The first thing is practice all these questions. The second thing is you need to improve your tenses, which is very important. And the third thing is focus the question.
mm,
Because when my question was about would you like to change your mobile device, you talked about AirPods, but that's not the part of my question. Okay.
okay,
So you need to focus the question, you'll be fine. Right.
okay.
Thank you. Let's go on. Do you like using social media?
Yes, I often use social media, especially when I need to know about what's going on in social things like politics. I use Twitter for this, and for non-normal days, I use Instagram
Okay.
as well.
All right. Do you think you use social media too much?
Yes, I think I use social media too much. It depends on time. If I have no other activities to play, then I use phone, or whenever I use phone, then I use social media apps like Instagram, Twitter, as well as YouTube. So yes, I think I use
Okay.
so much.
Would you like to do a job which is related to social media?
Yes, I like to do this because I think I know about many things about social media, like how to upload videos, uh, how to make content, and all these kind of stuff. So I would like if uh, this kind of job
Okay. What is the most popular social media app in your country?
I guess Facebook. Most people use Facebook. They are uh, first thing, they are very old, and people are more familiar with this as compared to the other app, and they are easy to use, and
Okay. So there should be proper conclusion, practice so that you become fluent. When you are going to answer one question second time, then you'll be fluent. Whenever you answer the question first time, you'll be thinking, gathering ideas and all that. So for that, you need to practice. Okay? Thank you so much.